Tango's point of view. Alright, I'm gonna take her across the field and see if I can get her to do it. Be right back, guys.
It's gonna be bouncy.
Yeah, it's gonna be bouncy. She seems really annoyed about it. It's like smacking her in the head. And it's pointed at her ear. Oh, see, look at it.
Yeah.
Come on. Go.
No, oh.
What?
You should.
Fail. You fix it, I don't know how to fix it.
Okay. I'm gonna try doing something.
What are you doing? She's like, sigh. Should we turn it off?
Yeah.
Did you?
No.
Yeah. I don't know how. I don't know which button.
That's the one on top of it.